Take out the machine and its accessories. Use screwdriver to install the handle holder. There are 2 spare fuses for replacement. When the one in the machine is blown, use a screwdriver to take the broken fuse out and then install the spare one. Install a filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, there will be no vacuum because air can get in. Install the stone vacuum and RF connecting line. Install the stone vacuum and Cavi connecting line. Install power cord. Press stone vacuum and RF function button. Parameter setting. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Vacuum setting. Suction time range and the release time range 0 to 2. When suction time is longer than release time and release time is not 0, the handle is at the suction and release mode, but when the release time is 0, the handle is at constant suction mode. Energy level range 0 to 10, 2 to 7 is recommended. The higher the energy level is, the stronger the sensation of heat will be. Mode selection, normal mode. After pressing start button, handle energy directly reaches preset level. Pro mode. After the handle touches skin, handle energy slowly reaches preset level. Turn the knob on the top of the machine to adjust suction level. Turning clockwise is to increase suction, and turning anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Apply essential oil to the treatment area evening before operation. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. Press the start button. The RF function of the stone vacuum and RF handle can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the RF parameters. Press stone vacuum and Cavi function button. Parameter setting. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Vacuum setting. Suction time range and the release time range 0 to 2. Energy level range 0 to 10. 2 to 7 is recommended. The higher the NS level is, the stronger the sensation of heat will be. Mode selection. Mode 1. After pressing start button, the handle emits ultrasonic wave constantly. Mode 2. After the handle touches skin, the handle emits ultrasonic wave discontinuously. Apply gel to the treatment area evening before operation. Do not use the skin products like essential oil in case there's no cavi energy output. Press the start button. The cavi function of the stone vacuum and cavi handle can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the cavi parameters. Press the reset button to go back to home interface. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handles for the next time use.